How to disable calls on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you cannot directly disable calls on Facebook Messenger, but if you want to avoid calls from certain people, you can restrict them. But another way of disabling your call is first open tap and hold your Messenger application, then go to permissions. After that, simply disable this microphone permission and also your phone permission. After that, since your calls require microphone and you have disabled them, you will not be able to receive any call or call or send or call someone without disabling or enabling the microphone permission. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you with the next one.